Well, hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. I'm JoDee. So excited that you're here today. I'm playing hooky from work. I know I need to do some stuff at home, but you know what? I heard that there was this garage sale, or actually it's a big, I don't know, yeah, it's called a garage sale. Big garage sale going on with a bunch of vendors all in one place, a little small park right here in downtown Albany. And I figured, I had to deliver some stuff to the post office this morning, and it was right around the corner. So you know what? I had to do it. So like, if you like beauty on a budget, looking like $1 million, not spending $1 million, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button right now, because this is your channel and I'm your girl. Let's go look around at the vendors. And you know what? This is a very special cause behind this garage sale. We're going to tell you about it today. Let's go shopping. Welcome to the Big Gay Garage Sale. Yes, that's the title. And there's actually a mission behind all of these treasures. And today we're going to talk a little bit about that. And of course, we're going to hunt down some treasures. Okay, so I'm here with C. Romeo. She's the organizer of this fun little event. And I was wondering if you could tell me a little bit about, like, what was behind it? Why did you decide to do it?
So I have been a vendor since I was 8 years old, working for my mom. I retired at 18 and I moved up here for college. And I stayed here ever since. And I am a board member for Upstate New York. I'm also a local LGBTQ plus youth organizer. And we do a camp every year, a Camp Unironda called the Queer Youth Advocacy Retreat, where we bring 50 plus queer youth to Camp Unironda up in the North Country, and they learn about advocacy skills and how to speak to legislators, and then it's just a really like queer joy type of community. Yeah. And not all youth have that. No, so I wanted to do something that was both rooted in my growing up in the craft vendor world and also marry what my advocacy is. So I created the Gay Garage Sale.
So this is going to benefit youth, which is really exciting. I'm happy because I'm a mom of 3 kids.
Oh, excellent.
All of them are straight, but at the same time, they do support their LGBTQ friends. And so I wanted to come out and just see what you're doing. And it's so fun to see all the different vendors out here and what they have to offer. And you can, like, I'm noticing some unique items, like, self-help books specifically for gay people, which, as a straight person, you don't think about those things.
Exactly. And what I did is very intentional, that every single vendor signed a just a mission and vision of this event that they agree with. And the mission vision of this event was to create a community space that is intentional and safe for all marginalized people, but especially our LGBTQ plus, especially our trans youth and BIPOC community. So each vendor here has that as their core value. So that's also why you feel so much joy here, because we're all here for the same reason. And it's also very unique because not a lot of these type of events are they end up being corporate. And when that happens, it takes away the accessibility of it, and also takes away the point of thrifting, which is to be sustainable. It's to create community. It's to create just a better, more sustainable world for us. So
and I was thinking about it too as I was coming here. Something that kind of stood out to me was you're right, the joy. Everybody here, I've gone to all of the booths before I even started just looking at the items, and everybody said hello to me and was open. Somebody offered me a sticker, and I like that, because frankly, members of the community that I'm friends with, and that I know, sometimes they haven't received that back, and so to me that just makes it just a little bit more special.
Yeah, exactly. And it's just that kindness that we don't really see a lot in our world right now. We desperately need that. Just the fact that someone said hello to you today and wanted to have that one-on-one connection is just so unique, and I feel like it's something that is missing right now, especially in our political climate. And I hope that one of these events here, what's really special about the Capital Region is that there's so many people doing cool, amazing things. So I also have enjoyed that a lot of people here are my close friends too. So just being able to, I call them crossover episodes, bring all these people together and just showing their talents to our greater community is just
And I was at the table earlier that said something in reference to, COVID protocols and access to information. So this is not just your normal normal, you know, fair where you're thrifting items, but you're also providing education.
Exactly.
Which I think is extremely important, especially for a community or maybe somebody who has not come out and who needs to find their people.
Exactly.
I don't know. For me, I'm accepting of everybody because I think love is love, and it's not my business to tell you who you love. But as a friend, I can see you on just that level, you know what I mean? But you need to have information about your health and wellness, right?
Exactly. And what is really also special here is that so many people here do a lot of different advocacy work. My friend Lyndon, who's right over there, they do a lot of LGBTQ health competency. So they work with a lot of like Planned Parenthood, a lot of health organizations in LGBTQ plus competency. And my friend Hamid over there who's selling does education consulting with schools when it comes to LGBTQ plus competency as well.
I know there's a lot of letters in it if you're not educated.
But all of us here are doing something within our community as well as just selling our goods. So it's
Okay, so what should I be looking for? You know me, I'm the deal catcher.
So I would definitely check out the booth behind me. They have a lot of cool stuff that they both made themselves.
Would you like a free sticker?
No, I don't want a sticker. You asked me that earlier. Okay, give me a sticker.
How about a kitty?
Okay, I'll take a kitty. Look, I got a sticker. She wanted to give me a sticker, so I'm holding it to her.
Don't challenge me. I'm annoyed.
Gracie, who's down there, that has a lot of art that they made.
Okay.
And also there's these really cute hand-painted ducks that my friend Ainsley made.
Those are so cute. Great, your creations are so cute.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh my god, I love them. I do a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna put it on my channel.
Yeah, feel free to take one of my business cards with you.
Okay, let's show it on the video. So cool.
Thank you so
How do you add? Do you put like molding?
much. Yeah, it's a Sculpey clay.
Yeah. Okay. So stinky cute.
Yeah, thank you for the features.
Of course.
Thank you.
You're gonna be holding that thing all day.
I know,
It's
my
so...
God. I've never had the whole display try to blow off the table.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And then my friend Chels has their own like book business, but it's all like, you know, like organizing type of books, those type of books.
Yeah. And you know what? Secondhand books, you know,
Exactly.
there is no need to buy a first-hand book. Like, seriously,
Exactly.
I was searching for something just the other day, and I went to all the different social sites, and I looked for the cheapest book, and I got it, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah. So this is a bookseller. You actually do this online?
I do, yes.
Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. How can people get a hold of you?
People can follow me on Instagram at Good Trouble Books 518. That's the best way to get a hold of me. My link to my eBay is there. I do local shipping.
Nice.
You know, and pick up, drop off.
And you have all kinds of books here.
I do. I've got, one memoir here left. I've got some history, political science, religion, fiction, literary studies, lots of queer studies.
I love it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much.
thank
and
you.
Truly appreciate you for spending time talking about what you guys are doing. And I know this is a different way of me doing my thrifting videos, so I hope you enjoy this because they're doing a great job. Oh, last thing.
Yes.
Tell me how people can find out about you and donate, help support, whatever you need.
Yeah, so on all social medias, I am Short Strategist. So if you go on Instagram, if you go on Twitter, if you just find me on Facebook, my Facebook is CR Romeo. And yeah, that's how you can find me.
And she is a short strategist.
I am very small. I'm 4'11".
And I'm 5'9", so I'm too tall. So it's like I'm not a good comparison.
Well, but thank you so much for taking the time.
Of course. I'm going to shop around. Let's get you done.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's awesome. Plus sizes. That's a very good idea. A lot of people don't have plus sizes. Do you sell online too?
No, this is all just...
What? This is all just your supply at home?
It's collected from a couple of different places.
Oh,
People
okay.
wanting to make it available.
Yeah.
And we don't... I want it to go to somebody who can afford it or who can't and doesn't have to worry about it. So
Right, exactly.
bringing it here where somebody can come and say, I have $1 or I have 50 cents or whatever it may be.
Yeah.
Great.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's hard to find plus size and large frame.
Yes, I know.
Lingerie.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes,
so
I
I'm
do
really
know this.
excited and hoping that people will get a chance. We have a couple pieces that already went out, which I'm very excited about. I find it hard to find it in the store. And
Yep.
when you do find it, unless you got $70, you gotta take it home, right?
You're so right. Okay, I know I don't need any more supply, but I have come across some items that I'm gonna get because this booth that I'm at right now is Pay What You Can. And I think they're donating anything they don't sell. So let's look through it.
Yes. Where do you go to find a plus-size jumper dress?
Oh, these look so cute. What size are you? Size 9, 10. Those are my size. I don't know. You out. You're a lingerie of some sort. Okay, here are the first couple of things I'm going to pick up. Both of them are lingerie. One of them has a lace-up back. The other one's just a solid. That's kind of cute. I'm going to get those. And then I'm going to get a couple of plus-size bras because I want to help my curvy girls out. Actually, a lot of them. That's a bralette. 5, 6. This is a bathing suit with the bottom. 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a nice little bralette, or a little bra. 11. This is another one of those negligees. 12. And I got this cute little dress that I was showing you. I think I was showing it to you. That's cute. These are all plus size clothes too, so I'm really happy to be able to add this to my Poshmark closet. And this is a cute little wrap dress. And this is a cute little like faux leather dress. Okay, so listen, your girl was not planning to spend any money, but look what I did. I've got a bag full of stuff now, and it's all for you, my friends. Yes, I went shopping for you. I'm gonna have this listed on my Poshmark, Depop, or my Mercari account. And once again, if you do not have Poshmark, go to the link below and I'm gonna give you $10 free to shop. Shop your little heart out. Just use my code JODEEKENNEY and I'll give you that. And also, if you're a reseller or looking to up your reselling game, do me a favor and try out Posher VA. You will get a free 2-week trial with my code. It's JODEEKENNEY as well. And then you'll get 20% off your first purchase with Posher VA. And I'm gonna be honest with you, it's actually helping me out. I'm really excited. I'm actually being more productive because I don't have to worry about focusing on my page. I just let it do, the VA do all the work, and I just go out sourcing and selling. So I need to hear from you now. You need to tell me, what did you like? What did you not like? Did I leave something behind that I should have gone and got? Leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I truly appreciate your support. I'll see you next week. Maybe I'll get some work done in between now and then. If not, who cares? It's summer. Let's enjoy the day. I love you. Bye.